discussing 3 by 3 matrix determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. You need to tread carefully while solving any question on this topic, and as you can see on the screen, we'll be following some guidelines, some principles, so I want us to take notes as we journey through this video. Look at this element. Irrespective of the sign following it is plus. You have to add plus to it. Look at this. This is the corresponding sign for this. This is the corresponding sign for this. This is the corresponding sign for this. They all have their corresponding sign, irrespective of what you are using them to solve. They all have their corresponding sign. So as we solve questions, you will now understand how we apply those corresponding signs. If you are just seeing this video, we've been on this series of determinants. We'll solve 2 by 2 matrix determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. We'll be able to iron that out. We'll be able to solve the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, the determinant, and now we are on determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. If you have not seen those other 2 videos, kindly check them out. It will go a long way to brush up your memory and assist even in solving some of these questions we have here. So let's dive straight into solving the questions. So we see solution number 1. Awesome. We have to find the value of this. So whenever you have 2 vertical straight lines, you know you are looking for the determinant. But this time around, look at it, 3 by 3. Awesome. Now let's see what we have. Now see how we make use of all these signs that we have here. Beautiful. So now this is how it works. For you to start, you have to cross all the numbers here and all the numbers here. But take note, where they met, where the meeting point here, where they meet here, the number there is what? Is 3. Then the original sign here, okay, maybe we should bring this sign here so that you can see them. There's no point bringing it, but just for us to see, it will help our calculation. Okay, where this line, their meeting point here is 3, so you put down the 3. Then the remaining numbers, we have 0 here. We have 7 here. We have -3 here. And we have -2 here. I'm sure you've gotten that. The remaining numbers, you bring them here. But the sign, don't forget this sign that is here is plus. So the original sign is plus, so there is no point. That plus is here. So you move to the next one. The original sign that is here now is what? Minus. That's the original sign that is there. So you do away with this. cancel them. So their meeting point here is what? 4. 4. The original sign that is here is plus, but the sign that is here is minus. So since it's plus, that's the meeting point 4. So you bring out, okay, let's make use of this as a template. So the number here is what? 2. The number here is 2. The number here is 7. The number here is 1. And the number here is what? Minus 2. This is it. Awesome. So we've been able to iron out that. So move. The original sign here is plus. It's plus. So we take over the next one, because we're actually looking for the determinant. We take over the next one, cancel all the numbers here. Don't mind my drawing, just to cover all this one that is here. Awesome. So their meeting point here is minus 1, minus 1. But the original sign that is there is plus. So since it's plus and we have minus 1, so we put only our minus 1. Beautiful. So having done that, let's get this as a template. Here we have 2, 0, 1, minus 3. 2, 0, 1, minus 3. Okay. Awesome. So we've been able to iron out all the 3. In fact, what we've done here, you can use the middle one if you like, you can use the down one if you like, but ensure you follow this sign as we have been applying them. So we are through with that, so we can now solve as usual, like our 2 by 2 determinant. So let's quickly do that. Now we have this. Okay, let's go. 0 times minus 2. So because of our time, let's just be multiplying straight up, but be careful while doing that so that you don't make a mistake. 0 times minus 2 give us what? 0. Anything times 0 is 0. Minus 3 times 7 give us what? Minus 21. To iron out that. These are our multiplication. If you have been following our series, determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, we explain the reason for multiplying this and this minus this and this. You can check that video out. So we move to this next one. This is minus 4 that we have here. So 2 times minus 2 give us what? Minus 4. Minus 1 times 7 will give us what? 7. Beautiful. We are through with that. So we move to the next one. We have minus 1 here. We open up our bracket. So 2 times minus 3 will give us what? Minus 6. Awesome. And 0 times 1 will give us what? 0. Awesome. So with this, you can now get our answer, the determinant. So be careful with this sign anyway. We have 3 outside. Awesome. Now this minus times minus here will give us plus. Minus times minus here will give us what? Plus. So we have 0 plus 21 there. Then minus 4 that we have here, this one. We have minus 4 7 here. We have -1, and we have 6 minus 0 here. Let's see what we have. Let's go. 0 plus 21 will give us 21. 21 times 3 will give us what? 63. Beautiful. Now here, -4 minus 7 will give us -11. -11 times -4. And we have here, because minus times minus will definitely give us what? Plus 4 times 11 will give us what? 44. Awesome. Then we come here. 6 minus 0 will give us what? 6. 6 times -1 will give us what? -6. Let me check again. Oh, we have, this is -6 that we have here, and we're already having 6 here. So that's why I say you need to be careful. Your sign, we have -6 here, and I'm putting ordinary 6 here, so you need to be careful. That's why I say you watch carefully. So -6 minus 0 here, -6 minus 0 will give us -6. So -6 times -1, you see, that will definitely affect our sign. So while solving, you need to be very, very careful. So -6 minus 0 will give you -6. -6 times -1 will give you what? +6, because minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Awesome. So having done that, so it's going to make our job easier, very easy. So we are going to add all we have here. So let's say 6 plus 44 will give us 50. 50 plus 63 will give us 113. Beautiful. So that is our result. That's the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So let's use the same method for solution number 2. Very interesting, but you have to be very careful while manipulating those signs. You can see that I almost threw away this minus that is here, and it will definitely affect my results. Awesome. So let's go through the same route again. Let's put this sign because it's a guide for us. It's a guide. Beautiful. So, as usual, go through the same route. The original sign that is here is plus. So we cancel all we have here and all we have here. So that's how we start. So the original number that where the cross here is 1, but because the sign here is plus, so we just leave it like that. So we are left with what? Let's get a template. Just a template to make use of. Awesome. So we have 2, 6 minus 4, 2. 2, 6 minus 4 to 2. 2, 6 minus 4, 2. Beautiful. So we are done with that. You need to be very careful with those signs because they can mess up your work. The next one, cross all we have here and all we have here. Their meeting point here is 4, but the original sign, that the sign that is here is minus, so we go with the -4. So you get this. So you have -5, 6, -1, 2. 5, 6, minus 1, 2, minus 5, 6, minus 1, 2. Beautiful. So we are done with that. So we move straight to the last one. The original sign here is plus, but we have minus here. So that means the minus will supersede the plus. But before then, let's do what we are doing. Awesome. So minus 3 is here, but since plus is here, plus times minus will give us minus. So we have minus 3 at that meeting point. So we are left with what? Minus 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4. Let's check it out. Minus 5, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 4. Awesome. So that means we are done with this as well. Beautiful. So we can now solve as usual our determinant. So while doing all this, you need to be what? Very, very careful. You need to be what? Very, very careful. So like I said earlier, you can use any of either the first one or the second one or the third one, you will still get the same answer. So at this juncture here we have 1, at this juncture here we have 4, but because the sign is minus, so we put the minus. At this juncture here we have minus 3. So if you have 1, we are left with what? 2, 6, minus 4, 2, 2, 6, minus 4, 2. If you have 4, we are left with what? Minus 5, 6, minus 1, 2. And if you have minus 3, we are left with what? Minus 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4. So you need to be very, very careful. So let's go. Okay, you have 1. Okay, let's go. 2 times 2 will give you 4. Minus 4 times 6 will give you 24. But because you have minus there, you have minus 24. Awesome. So the next one, we have minus 4. Beautiful. Now, you say minus 2. So minus 5 times 2, that's the next thing for us. Minus 5 times 2. That will definitely give you minus 10 because the minus has upper hand over the plus. So that's what we are going to do. So we open up the bracket. Minus 10. The minus that used to be there. So minus 1 times 6 will give you minus 6. Minus 6. Close your bracket. That means you are done with that. So you move to the next one, which is this. Minus 3. Beautiful. You open up your bracket. Minus 5 times minus 4 will give you 20 because minus times minus will give you plus. Minus 1 times 2 will give you minus 2. Beautiful. So having done that, you now say 1. Open bracket. This minus times minus here will give you what? Plus. Minus times minus will give you plus. Then you have your 24. Close your bracket. come here, minus 4. Open your bracket. You have minus 10. Minus times minus here will give you plus. Then you have your 6. Close your bracket. Awesome. Then the next one here is minus 3. Open your bracket. You have your 20. Minus times minus here will give you what? Plus. Then you have your 2. Beautiful. So now I have 14 plus 24 plus 4 will give you 28. 24 plus 4 will give you 28. 28 times 1 will still give you what? 28. Awesome. So you come here. Minus 10 plus 6 will give you what? Minus 4. Minus 10 plus 6 will give you what? Minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 4. Minus times minus will give you plus. So 4 times 4 will give you what? 16. So you have plus 16. Beautiful. So you come here. You say 20 plus 2. That will give you 22. 20 plus 2 will give you what? 22. 22 times minus 3 will give you what? Minus 66. Beautiful. So what is left for you now is to get our final answer. Beautiful. So first thing first, you say 28 plus 16. That will give you 44. 28 plus 16 will give you 44. That's 44 minus 66. So you see 44 minus 66 is going to give you what? Minus 22. So that's our final answer. You have to be careful. Why doing? Because those signs can be so confusing. You see, for our two solutions, we're able to use this that is up, but we are cutting up, cut here, here, here. And if you like, you can cut this middle here, here, here. And if you like, you can use down, you will still get the same answer. You can always pause, rewind this video for better clarification and understanding. If you have any question or any issue with this video or any of our video, you can drop a comment here. We'll reply as soon as we can. Help us like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, My Simple Maths, and help press the notification bell so that you can always receive notification from us whenever we post a new video. Thank you.